I want a videotape him.
It's a bad time to mention that I have serious anger issues.
Oh, that's nice.
I get mad. I set things on fire. I break things.
Here's that.
Oh fuck! It's arsenic.
It's arson, not arsenic.
No, he said arsenic.
Well, then it's the poisony.
I know.
Stuff.
Just walk on the other side.
I don't know.
I know. Just walk on the side of the road.
Where is he?
Be like, dude, we're on the opposite side of the road. Calm down, please.
What a video.
Sitting in his car waiting for us to walk back. That's actually sad, like, all year. Finally, I can talk about that.
No, you can't. Oh my. Oh my.
I guess what? I got like stoned right now, these Cinderella cups. I mean, look at that, right there. Yeah, because Cinderella represents drugs in most countries.
I knew it.